The digestive system breaks down food into vital nutrients that power every cell of our body.
Digestion starts in the mouth, where teeth and saliva break food into smaller pieces. Food travels down the esophagus through wave-like muscle movements called peristalsis.
In the stomach, food is churned and mixed with gastric juices to start protein digestion. The liver produces bile, a vital fluid that helps break down fats for easier digestion.
The gallbladder stores and releases bile, ensuring fats are digested efficiently.
Bile from the gallbladder and pancreatic juice work together to break down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates for absorption. Pancreatic enzymes break down proteins, carbohydrates, and fats into smaller molecules for easy absorption. The small intestine's villi and microvilli absorb nutrients, transferring them into the bloodstream for the body's use. Absorbed nutrients travel from the small intestine through the portal vein to the liver, where they are processed and distributed. In the liver, nutrients are processed, stored, and transformed, ensuring the body receives energy and vital compounds when needed. Undigested food moves into the large intestine, where water is absorbed and waste begins to form. In the large intestine, remaining material compacts into waste, preparing for elimination from the body. The rectum stores waste until it is ready to be eliminated, marking the end of the digestive process. From ingestion to elimination, the digestive system breaks down food, absorbs nutrients, and removes waste to keep us nourished.
Next, discover how the respiratory system brings oxygen into our bodies, starting with the amazing lungs. Trillions of gut microbes help break down fiber, produce vitamins, and support a healthy gut barrier. Peristaltic waves, rhythmic muscle contractions, move food and waste smoothly through the digestive tract.
Dietary fiber and adequate water keep food moving smoothly, supporting healthy bowel function and gut balance. The digestive system works in harmony with nerves, hormones, and circulation to nourish every cell of the body. From the first bite to nutrient absorption, the digestive system turns food into energy and building blocks for life. With digestion complete, our next journey begins, exploring the respiratory system, where oxygen fuels every cell.
Our respiratory system draws in oxygen and expels carbon dioxide, sustaining every cell with each breath. Air enters through the nose, where the nasal cavity warms, moistens, and filters it before reaching the lungs. After the nasal cavity, air travels through the pharynx and larynx, where the voice box also protects the airway. After the nasal cavity, air travels through the pharynx and larynx, where the voice box also protects the airway. Across the alveolar walls, oxygen binds to hemoglobin, while carbon dioxide is released to be exhaled. Carried by hemoglobin in red blood cells, oxygen travels through blood vessels to nourish every tissue in the body.
Carried by hemoglobin in red blood cells, oxygen travels through blood vessels to nourish every tissue in the body.
Carbon dioxide produced by cells travels back through the blood to the lungs, ready to be exhaled.
During inhalation, the diaphragm contracts and the lungs expand, drawing fresh air inside. During exhalation, the diaphragm relaxes and the lungs recoil, pushing carbon dioxide-rich air out. Deep within the brainstem, the medulla oblongata and pons automatically regulate the rhythm of every breath.
Special chemoreceptors in the blood detect rising carbon dioxide and adjust your breathing rate automatically.
Each lung is wrapped in a double-layered pleura, a protective lining that allows smooth movement during breathing. The intercostal muscles between your ribs contract and relax, lifting and lowering the rib cage to support breathing. Your lungs can hold several liters of air. This lung capacity, or vital capacity, determines how much oxygen you can inhale and exhale. Air you inhale is rich in oxygen. Air you exhale has less oxygen but more carbon dioxide.
Tiny hairs called cilia and sticky mucus line your airways, trapping and sweeping out dust and microbes. Coughing and sneezing are powerful reflexes that clear irritants and protect your airways from harm. Regular exercise strengthens your respiratory muscles and improves lung capacity, making breathing more efficient. Polluted air brings harmful particles and gases into your lungs, irritating tissues and reducing breathing efficiency over time. Alveolar macrophages patrol your lungs, engulfing dust, microbes, and pollutants to keep airways clean.
Inside red blood cells, hemoglobin binds oxygen in the lungs and delivers it to every cell in your body.
Carbon dioxide produced by your cells travels in the blood back to the lungs, where it's exhaled as waste gas.
Your respiratory and circulatory systems work together to deliver oxygen and remove carbon dioxide from every cell.
Your brainstem constantly adjusts the rate and depth of your breaths, responding to oxygen and carbon dioxide levels. At high altitudes, lower oxygen levels prompt your lungs to increase breathing rate and efficiency to supply enough oxygen to your body. Lungs grow and mature from infancy to adulthood, increasing in capacity and efficiency to meet the body's oxygen demands. While you sleep, your lungs continue breathing automatically, with subtle changes in rhythm to match your body's needs. During intense exercise, your lungs work harder, increasing breathing rate and efficiency to supply oxygen and remove carbon dioxide quickly. Infections and inflammation can reduce lung capacity and efficiency, making breathing harder and gas exchange less effective. During meditation or yoga, slow, deep breaths engage your lungs fully, promoting oxygenation and calming the nervous system.
During REM sleep, your breathing becomes lighter and more irregular, reflecting changes in brain activity and muscle tone.
Smoking introduces toxins that damage lung tissue, reduce capacity, and increase the risk of chronic diseases. Chronic exposure to environmental pollutants can gradually reduce lung function, increasing susceptibility to respiratory diseases. Regular breathing exercises can strengthen lung muscles, improve capacity, and enhance overall respiratory efficiency over time. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise, good nutrition, and clean air supports optimal lung function and long-term respiratory health.
From inhaling oxygen to exhaling carbon dioxide, your respiratory system works seamlessly to keep every... If you enjoyed this journey through the respiratory system, hit like, subscribe, and explore more amazing anatomy videos.